We are here to visit a sewing group. Maria del Carmen has started a group of about 20 women who are single moms, and they are earning their own income by sewing. So let's go meet them. When we got there, Maria, the founder of the group, told us her emotional story of how this group got started. Several years ago, Maria had no money, food, or opportunity in Honduras, and felt that she had no choice but to leave her children behind and seek work in the United States. She tells us a story of her dangerous journey where she almost dies in her efforts to get to America. She made it to the border, but once she crossed, she was caught and thrown in jail where she was abused, bound with chains, and then deported back to Honduras, where she was dropped off at the airport with nothing. As Maria begged for spare change to call home, she heard an ad on the radio for training and assistance to learn how to sew. I'm happy to say that this is where the story turns from pain to hope. World Vision stepped in and assisted her with making a business plan and forming a sewing group for single mothers. After their help, Maria received enough sewing machines to start her business. The group first learned to sew school uniforms for their own kids and made them for sale as well with the fabric donated by World Vision. That's how it often starts, right? We want to sew stuff for our kids. During my visit, they showed me how to make a uniform skirt, one of their most popular and favorite items to make. What started with school uniforms has expanded to home items like curtains and aprons, and the newest addition is athletic shorts and jerseys for the boys. Maria now has hope, opportunity, and for the first time, a self-empowerment to provide for her children. Her bravery and leadership has created a way for other single mothers in the area to do the same thing. Her generous heart didn't end there. She heard of a community in extreme poverty nearby, and her group donated 33 uniforms for kids in that community. She said that she felt so blessed by World Vision's support, she wanted to share that blessing with others and give back. Now we have a chance to share our blessings with people who need it most. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for sharing your story with us. So when you sponsor a child, things like this, donations to community projects, are possible. And because World Vision was able to donate fabric, she's able to earn more of an income, and that's what sponsorship does in these communities. I encourage you to sponsor a child. The link will be in the description box below the video. So join me in helping to spread love and to spread assistance to the people of Honduras and to these communities who need it so desperately.